I'm Chris Fox, and this is the Additive Report. CAD companies have been talking about generative design for a couple of years now, and while it can help you make some really cool supports for a chair or an elaborate decorative pattern for your aerospace webbing, it has been fairly impractical for machining and other means of traditional manufacturing. While those CAD companies heard the noise about the impracticality of generative design, and they've started to do some things about that, generative design still is much better suited for additive manufacturing. The parts that can be designed with generative design technology, combined with 3D printing's lack of concern for complex geometries, makes them a perfect match. As industrial additive grows, generative design will be the ballast that keeps it ahead of, or at least more cutting edge than, traditional manufacturing methods. And I can't wait to see the crazy stuff that's gonna be made.